Hey all, quick update to the syllabus, and sorry this has happened already, but someone pointed out that if you look down here for where your reading questions start, so for set 1 you see ask questions A through Levy by Wednesday, and then for set 2 I have the same thing, so this should be reversed, so meaning 1 week A through Levy ask them, the next week they will answer them. So I will make this change and then post an updated one. Also, I'm trying not to move the cursor around because when I rewatched the first video, I say that I went a little crazy with this. So sorry about that. So again, the change for the updated syllabus that I will be posting is the fact that the first week, A through Levy will be asking the questions. The second week, they will be answering the questions. And then it will go back again. So as the syllabus stands now, A through Levy is asking the questions all 5 weeks, and that is not how this was supposed to be set up. So that is the change. So you can make that change, and all we'll be doing again is striking through that, and then putting the ask questions for LIND through Z here. And again, that's what I'll be doing for the update that I'm about to make. Hope you guys are having a great first day of school, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.